Hello from the Cerebral Blue team. In this video, we're going to be highlighting the importance of the loop functionality in mAIstro and how it can help automate tasks in enterprises. In this template here, we're going to start off with just a simple list that this JSON variables node will take, and then we'll separate into three different elements because there are three different names in this list. We're then going to run it through this variable loop node using items as our base variable name, as you set the items equal to the names. Then we're going to set the current item that it holds, so the first name, equal to the current name, and then print that current name to the output. Set that variable, whatever the output is right now, equal to the accumulator, and then it'll run through the second item through this loop. It'll do the exact same thing, run the third item, and once the loop's been completed, it'll end the loop, and then it'll print out the result and then the actual accumulator of what's been accumulated by this variable. So let's quickly run through it, and you can see that it prints out exactly what we want it to. It separates John Doe, Lauren Wick, and Emma Doe. We can go up here to our debug right here, and we can actually check exactly how it loops through. So we can see right now it hasn't looped through anything. It's just taking the first variable, running through it. It's setting equal to John Doe. It's going to print it, and it's going to set the accumulator equal to John Doe, and it'll end the loop. Then it'll go to the second loop of Lauren Wick. It'll go to the third loop of Emma Doe, and once that's finally completed, it'll print out the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.